Inception is a film that has defined Nolan's career. Sure, The Dark Knight was bigger, Interstellar more ambitious, Memento purer, Dunkirk better, and yes, The Prestige is great too. But for many of us, Inception is the movie we think of when we think of Nolan. To put it another way, the highest hope anyone has for Tenet is that it will be another Inception. Now in this video, I am not going for any explanation of the film because it is already there on YouTube. And you know it might even work as a spoiler for those who haven't watched the film yet. So what I am going to do is, I am going to list down some of the points which I feel makes Inception one of the best science fiction films ever made. Number 1. The practical effects. Inception was certainly helped by the fact that as many of the effects as possible were done practically instead of visually. Christopher Nolan obviously had some really big ideas for the film, and most directors wouldn't even try to create real effects for scenes like the hallway fight. But the results in the movie are truly stunning, in large part because it's so realistic and yet out of this world. Number 2. The killer cast. It is very easy to see why so many amazing actors were attracted to this film, because it is truly unlike anything else that had been made before. But it's pretty rare that you see a cast as high class as this one. Even the supporting cast and smaller roles in Inception are filled by world-class actors that are oftentimes the top build of their own films, and that are award-winning heavy hitters in their own right. Number 3. The insane visuals. Many of Inception's visual effects were practical, but obviously there were some that had to be created digitally. However, what is so obviously striking about the film, regardless of how its effects were made, is how utterly insane and beautiful the visuals of the film truly are. Number 4. Because it's smart. Inception is absolutely a movie with its own set of flaws, but what made it feel like such a revolutionary and thrilling film is the fact that it is just a very smart concept and execution, and it shamelessly relies on its audience to be smart enough to understand everything that's going on too. In a world where most movies seem to be dumbled down for the sake of the lowest common denominator, it was great to see a very big blockbuster style movie that seemed to be designed around the idea that people could actually fully understand and enjoy something that demanded a bit more intellectual energy from them. And number 5. The high concept premise. Many things about Inception stand out and have stood the test of time, making it one of the most intriguing and truly unique films ever made. And it seems safe to argue that very few writers could have even come up with the idea behind Inception, let alone execute it in such a visually stunning and intellectually stimulating way. Now, as I said, Inception 2 had its own set of flaws. So according to me, two of the biggest flaws of Inception are: Number 1. Because it's too much. There is definitely something to be said for creating a movie that is as artistic and thoughtful as possible. But one way in which Inception kind of falls flat is that it includes way too much of everything. On the one hand, it is great that there is always something new to be discovered within the film. But on the other hand, it shouldn't feel like half of the audience is going to miss what's going on because there is so much of information being thrown at them. It's pretty much impossible to catch everything in Inception, and movies shouldn't be that overstuffed. And number 2, because it's no fun. There's really nothing wrong with creating a serious movie, but when Christopher Nolan created this insane dream world in which anything is possible, it would have been nice if there were a few more moments of levity and lightness. So that's the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Well, previously I had made an explanation video on Shutter Island. The link is there in the description below, so please do check that out. But before doing so, let me know your views regarding this video in the comments section. Share this video as much as you can. You can follow me on social media, the handle is right here in front of you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for weekly content ahead. Until then, take care, goodbye.